What it do, what it do, what it do? I know my lips ain't matching because I'm talking in Chinese. But anyway, I was going to go do the Chuck E. Cheese pizza and show you guys that they use old pizza from the next day, because the pizza, when you look at it, never matches. Always one or two pieces that don't match. We're going to do that on another day. But today, you know what's going down. Huh. We got a pepperoni and sausage. I added a couple of little onions to this. You guys know where this is from. Quick Trip. This that Quick Trip pizza. You know I had to get the whole thing for the $9. Let's try it out. Yeah, buddy. You know I got to do that Quick Trip joint. Nice and fresh, crispy. Y'all see the cheese? Quick Trip, oh Quick Trip, oh Quick Trip, don't you see? Every time I close my eyes in my dreams, I see chicken and pizza, and it's all on me. This Quick Trip pizza, boy. Pizza so good, you got about. I gotta do it once you don't burn your mouth, baby. Ooh, look at him. Look at that. Big sausages, big pepperoni, crispy on the pepperoni. Good crush. Quick Trip's like a handyman to food, man. Jack of all trades. Pizza good, chicken good, breakfast sandwiches good, burgers good. And the service there is amazing. Well, wish I'd give y'all a slice of this through the internet. This motherfucker fire. Okay, in we go. Okay. Little bird on the end. Ain't no little bird on the crust. That's good. Listen to this. That right there. Good crunch and management on that pizza, baby.